This is Scuba for Life with the review of the Qimei Benrus Type 2 Homage military watch. The reason why I got this watch was for several reasons. This one is very faithful to the original Type 2. You can see right away with the hands that it has the markings that it should, the actual hash marks. I've had the Navigator before, the Adanac, and that's as good as it gets. The metal blasted finish is fantastic. I'm not in a position right now to pick up one of those. I just saw one on eBay for like 530 bucks. I'm about to go to Japan right now and saving up for the trip. Otherwise, that was a good deal. The reason being, if you're not familiar, those have been going up in price. This does not have drilled lugs like some of the ones out there, but then again, I believe it's more faithful to the original for that. You can always get the spring bars with the spring that allow you to make them come off easier, but I don't care for that, to be honest. I have a NATO on here that makes it easy for it to wear. Got the Resco, recommend getting one of these. It's got a blasted finish, and the one that it came with, where the bracket is right there, it was more rounded. And I mean, like that, I don't want rounded. I want square. I want square edges, you know, so that's what this thing has. And yeah, this one has a sapphire crystal, man. So yeah, this watch is this freaking sick, man. I've been looking, it's been a while. It's been a while to get this. Daily checks on eBay, see about them popping up. I was gonna go with the Gaz when he was making them, but those go for 300 plus. This does the job, especially when Marathon now, the case that they make when they re-release the Navigator, it's not like on the right side. It does not stick out as much, man. It's like more rounded. It's got to be faithful to the original. This one, with the loom situation, the loom on the hands will last. The ones on the dial, the loom on the dial sucks. The pip is a blue color, and the rest is, you know, the usual loom that you would expect. The second hand is faithful to the original also, so that's a plus. I'll go briefly onto the caseback markings on it, which are pretty cool. Going on with the theme of the original, you have the designation up top, the mil-spec rating. It says Type 1, Type 2, Class A, Qimei, water resistant, 300 meters. Stainless steel, April 2021. Serial number, SM8019. It's got a screw down caseback and crown. And a definite distinguishing feature on this watch, by now you've noticed, this is a special Seiko movement. I'm going to put the number of the actual caliber in the description, but you see that it has a sweep motion instead of a tick, and that's the first in my collection, and it's pretty badass actually. I was not expecting it as part of the deal. I would have gone with a regular, but that's just a bonus. So I hope you find this review useful.